TGC SB 25,184 cases has been reported in 2024 as against 17,571 cases in 2023, a jump of 43.33%, sir. And then TGCBC refunded itne paise, they give a figure, we refunded 180 crore, 247 crore put on hold. Are sir, wo sob hai sir. But sir, crime sees I would say the 2,150% jump in refund, the sharpest jump in cases were recorded by the State Cyber Security Bureau, sir, by 43.33%. The total amount refunded to the victims in 2024 stood at rupees 180 crores. This is a 2,150% increase from rupees 8 crores refunded in 2023, sir. Sir, NDPS Act cases, sir. Efforts to combat drug trafficking and abuse intensifies in 2024 with 1,950 cases registered under the NDPS Act, a rise from 1,360 cases in 2023. The Telangana Anti-Narcotic Bureau seized drugs worth 142.95 crores and arrested 4,682 people. In addition to seizing large quantities of ganja, heroin and synthetic drugs, the Bureau obtained freezing orders of properties worth 55.8 crores from offenders involving in 10 major cases, sir. Sir, and also road safety, the state recorded 20,702 road accidents, showing a slight reduction from 23,491 in 23 to fatal accidents, however, increased marginally with 6,640 deaths compared to 6,541 in previous years. Grievous accidents saw a sharp reduction of 56.42, dropping from 2,336 in 2023 to 1,018 in 2024, sir. Sir, अब आप देखिए, sir, when now I want to come to Hyderabad, sir. Overall crime in Hyderabad jumps 41%, sir, jumps in Hyderabad 41% in 2024, sir. Number of registered cases in Hyderabad rose from 25,488 in 2023 to 35,944 in 2024, making a significant increase in overall crime, sir. Sir, the crime witnessed a steep rise of 65.74%, increase from 5,098 cases in 2023 to 8,447 in 2024, sir. Sir, crime against women rose by 2.39% from 2,424 cases in 2023 to 2,482 in 24, while the crime against children saw a concerning increase. Sir, this is very, very, very important, sir. I hope the government will make a note of this, sir. Sir, the crime against children saw a concerning increase of 21.02%, growing from 371 cases in 23 to 449 in 2024, sir. Sir, about the case involving scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities, sir, recorded marginal rise of 1.74 for 172 in 23 to 175, sir. Traffic violations, sir. Traffic violations, sir, I have all the figures, sir. Sir, Hyderabad recorded 2,745 road accidents in 2024 as opposed to 2,548 last year. Despite enhanced safety measures, the city saw 227 deaths in 76 fatal accidents in 2024, sir. Sir, when I was saying, I was requesting for the signal, sir. OVC Hospital Junction से लेके आगे तक, sir. Sir, there, ये एक महीने में, right from OVC Hospital till Aramgarh, sir. We have to see that area, sir. Where Chandrayaan Gutta Chaurasta is there, sir. Then DRDO defense area is there. उसके आगे आप बढ़ते हैं हाशमाबाद, बल्लागोड़ा है. बल्लागोड़ा के आगे महफिल होटल है. उसके आगे आते हैं, sir. In that stretch, sir, सिर्फ ये एक महीने में some 16 or 17 accidents happened, sir. 17 deaths हुए हैं, sir. पुलिस को क्या फिक्र है, सर? हाँ, लोग मरते रहते हैं, मरने दो, क्या होने का है. सर, जिसके घर में मौत होती है उसको मालूम. एक रोजेदार राजेंद्र नगर से जा रही थी बच्ची, शी इज अ डॉक्टर, सर. वन गर्ल वाज गोइंग टू राइट हर एग्जाम, सर. वो जंक्शन में सिग्नल नहीं है, वहां पे मर गई, सर. तो सर ये चीजें दे डू नॉट वांट टू नो, सर. एंड दिस ड्यूरिंग द ड्रंक एंड ड्राइव चेक इन 2024, 8,40,008 people were checked. 52,080 cases were booked, 46,468 charge sheets were filed. In 2023, 3,49,917 people were checked, 43,950 cases were booked, and 45,327 charge sheets were filed. ये तो हो रहा है सर, but still sir, drink and drive is continuing. What is happening sir? Is it coming down? Every Friday, Saturday देखो सर यूं डाल देते, वो जो भी आ रहा उसको फूको फू फू कराते रहते हैं सर, वहां पे ठहरे हुए कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है सर, पीने वाला पी रहा है और मरने वाला मर रहा है। इन ठहरते हैं, ट्रैफिक जैम करते हैं, उसके बाद में फिर पीछे से एक आदमी आता, जेब में से कुछ निकाला, ऐसा दे दिया, ले लिए खत्म, जाओ जाओ बोले चले जाता सर। इतना करप्शन सर, so much of corruption sir. Sir, in 2023, 19,29,698 violations were recorded for riding without a helmet, which jumped to 22,74,662 in 2024. In 2023, 1,878 people were booked for minor driving, which increased to 2,976 in 2024. Sir, minors गाड़ी चलाते हैं, उसको चेक करना चाहिए ना सर, वो चेक नहीं करते। सर माइनर्स जो ड्राइविंग कर रहे हैं उनके फैमिलीज को पकड़ना चाहिए, वो नहीं करते सर। बुला के काउंसलिंग करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करते सर। माइनर्स के गाड़ी चलाने से कई डेथ्स हो रही हैं सर, वो नहीं करते हैं। हेलमेट बराबर नहीं है, बस खाली क्या काम है सर, पीछे ठहरना, ऐसा फोटो ले लेना, दे देना। एक गरीब आदमी सर, एक गरीब आदमी को रोजाना 1,000 का अगर फाइन आ जाएगा, ऑटो बस फ्री कर दिया, ऑटो वाले परेशान है, ऑटो वालों का ख्याल करते बोले अब तक नहीं करे, परेशान है बेचारे, और उसके ऊपर वो ऑटो वालों को चालान। रैपिडो आता है, वो दूसरे जो खाना पहुंचाते हैं उनको चालान। सर ऐसा हो गया पुलिस वालों के हाथ में सर सिर्फ कैमरेज दे दिए सर। सर आई रिक्वेस्ट सर थ्रू यू आई रिक्वेस्ट सर, द गवर्नमेंट शुड फर्स्ट take back the cameras which has given to the traffic police sir, and tell them give the cameras to the officers in charge and regulate the traffic sir. ये रेगुलेट नहीं करते हैं, सिर्फ बैठे टिक चिक बस खाली इतना मारते रह रहे हैं, क्या है सर ये। सर ऑल्सो द साइबर क्राइम सर, the crime against women sir, the report shows a rise in crime against women with 2,482 cases registered in 2024 compared to 2,424 in 23 sir. So this is what I'm talking about Hyderabad sir. The total of 1,201 cases were reported during year. She team, out of these 2,280 individuals were caught red-handed and 425 PT cases were addressed. Legal action was taken in 182 cases resulting in FIR being filed sir. Additionally 2,519 sir. Drugs seized. रचागुंडा पुलिस I have sir. अब मिनिस्टर साहब मुझसे रिक्वेस्ट करें अकबर साहब जल्दी खत्म करो, तो ठीक है सर, मैं उस पर ज्यादा नहीं जाऊंगा सर, बट सर देयर इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट सर, वन इंपॉर्टेंट जी, हाँ साहब सर, नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सर, फायर डिपार्टमेंट सर, फायर डिपार्टमेंट सर, if I give the details of this fire department sir, you will yourself be very surprised what is this state sir.